Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Ronin wallet in Chrome browser. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to add Ronin wallet in your Chrome browser, just search Chrome Web Store and go to their website. Now search Ronin wallet. Click into it. Now there's an option add to Chrome. Just simply add it. Now Ronin wallet has been successfully added to your browser. Just pin it to appear here. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.